In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best woks. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best woks. Number 5, Mama Fong wok. The Mama Fong wok is a masterpiece of traditional craftsmanship. Hand-hammered by expert artisans, this 14-inch wok is designed for serious cooks who demand authentic results. Its heavy-duty carbon steel construction heats quickly and evenly, making it ideal for stir-frying, deep-frying, and steaming. Pre-seasoned with natural oils, this wok offers a non-stick surface from day one, allowing you to focus on creating bold, flavorful dishes. The flat bottom makes it compatible with all modern cooktops, ensuring it fits seamlessly into any kitchen setup. With its spacious design, the Mama Fong wok is perfect for cooking large meals for family and friends. Its ergonomic wooden handle provides a secure grip, even when working with high heat. Over time, the wok develops a rich patina that enhances its non-stick properties and infuses your dishes with authentic flavor. Number 4, Souped Up Recipes wok. Designed with home chefs in mind, the Souped Up Recipes carbon steel wok is the ultimate kitchen companion for anyone looking to master stir-frying. This wok is made from high-quality carbon steel, providing excellent heat conductivity to sear, sauté, and fry. Its flat bottom ensures compatibility with electric, gas, and induction stoves, while the included lid lets you steam, braise, and simmer. It comes with a spatula and a detailed video user guide, making it beginner-friendly and perfect for anyone who wants to dive into wok cooking. The pre-seasoned surface makes it ready to use right out of the box, while its lightweight design ensures easy handling during high-heat cooking. With its durable construction, this wok can handle daily use and develops a natural patina over time, enhancing its non-stick properties. Whether you're cooking up quick weeknight meals or impressing guests with a show-stopping stir-fry, the Souped Up Recipes carbon steel wok is a practical, high-performance option that delivers delicious results every time. Number 3, Yosua wok. The Yosua wok is a game-changer for those who love traditional Asian cooking. This 13.5-inch flat-bottom wok is expertly crafted from heavy-duty carbon steel, providing superior heat retention and distribution for high-temperature cooking. Its traditional design and pre-seasoned surface ensure that your stir-fries, noodles, and fried rice come out with an authentic, smoky wok hei flavor. Whether you're whipping up a quick dinner or experimenting with intricate recipes, this wok's high walls and wide diameter give you the space and control to cook with confidence. Hand-forged using Japanese craftsmanship techniques, the Yosua wok offers unmatched durability and a natural non-stick surface that improves with use. Its flat bottom is perfect for modern stoves, including induction, gas, and electric, making it versatile and practical. With its ergonomic wooden handle, you get excellent control, even when tossing food over high heat. The Yosua wok is more than just a cooking tool. It's an investment in tradition and quality, bringing a touch of authentic Asian cuisine to your home. Number 2, Calphalon Signature Wok. The Calphalon Signature Wok is a kitchen powerhouse, combining premium craftsmanship with unbeatable performance. Constructed with hard anodized aluminum, it heats up quickly and distributes heat evenly, ensuring perfect results every time. The wok's durable 3-layer nonstick surface allows for effortless food release, making it ideal for delicate ingredients and sticky sauces. With its flat bottom design, this wok sits securely on electric, gas, or induction cooktops. Plus, it comes with a matching tempered glass lid, which helps lock in heat and moisture for delicious one-pot meals or slow simmering your favorite recipes. This wok isn't just about function, it's built for convenience too. The long stainless steel handle stays cool to the touch, providing confidence and control during cooking. It's also oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, making it versatile enough for stovetop to oven recipes. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the non-stick surface, and its durable construction ensures it will remain a reliable part of your kitchen arsenal for years to come. If you want a wok that blends performance, style, and ease of use, the Calphalon Signature Wok is a top contender. Number 1, Hexclad Hybrid Wok. The Hexclad Hybrid Wok is a revolutionary kitchen tool that blends stainless steel and nonstick technology for a seamless cooking experience. This 12-inch wok offers exceptional durability with its tri-ply construction, ensuring even heat distribution and long-lasting performance. Its stay-cool handle provides a safe and comfortable grip, making it easy to maneuver while stir-frying, sautéing, or searing. What's more, it's dishwasher-safe, oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and compatible with all cooktops including induction, giving you unmatched versatility in the kitchen. Whether you're a pro chef or a home cook, this wok is built to make every meal a masterpiece. What sets this wok apart is its innovative non-stick coating that is metal utensil safe, meaning you can use your favorite spatulas and tongs without worrying about scratches. It's designed to simplify cleanup, so you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your creations. Perfect for high-heat cooking, it allows you to achieve restaurant-quality results right at home. With the Hexclad Hybrid Nonstick Wok, you're investing in a premium cooking experience that combines durability, functionality, and elegance in one must-have kitchen essential. And there you have it, our top 5 picks for the best woks to elevate your home cooking. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comments section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.